Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is day 6 in a series of 45 videos that I'm going to walk you through the process of raising broilers from day 1 to day 45. That is when the birds are fully mature and ready for market. As you can see, the birds are really doing fine in the farm. And one issue that I've been facing these days is the issue of light. We have an electrical issue and I've not been able to adjust it up to this moment. So all this while the birds have been in the dark. At night they don't really feed well because they don't see, so the torchlight I provide to them is not really enough to give them the good vision that they need. So many of them end up not feeding, but they are doing okay. They are doing okay. They feed well during the day. One interesting thing about birds is that when you provide them with lighting and you realize that at particular time during the day they don't have light, they make sure that when they have light they feed to compensate for the time that they are in the dark. So it's a very good advantage. It's not something that they do all the time and it's very good for them. So this also helping me to light issue. These are the birds. They're doing very okay. I'm sorry that you might not be able to see the other side because it's quite dark. It's quite dark now. It's quite dark. Yes. These are the birds. Doing quite well. And they're feeding really well. You can see the feeders are really empty. This is I top these feeders in the morning. As you can see, there's no food inside, which shows that they have really been eating throughout the day. They have been eating throughout the day. So that's why the feeders are empty. They're almost empty. As you can see. And I'm still using this cardboard paper on the floor. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell. I have a lot of information that I'm going to share with you after this series that I'm sharing with you within 45 days. I have so much to share with you. I have a lot of experience in the poultry business that I would like to share with you guys. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you will not miss on any of these updates. Thank you.